like cornmeal dumpling.
Oh, cornmeal dumpling today.
Yeah, so let me tell you, sir. Well, good morning. First of all, forgot my manners. So this today is Monday, and this gonna be the night of my sister. So I'm keeping something for my sister around our house, what we call the night. So I'm preparing the food right now. So I got a lot of things ahead of me, so I have to start early. So right now, for the night, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook brown stew pork, I'm gonna cook curry chicken, I'm gonna curry goat, curry chicken, and vegetable, and rice and peas, boiled dumpling, and all those things, what different things, and a whole heap of liquor, rum punch and them things. We should be done make rum punch and them things because a lot of work, so I have to work at that time. So right now, I'm gonna start. Need my flour to make the dumpling. I'm not ready to cook them yet, but I need my flour to make it set. That's when time I start. Later on, I'm not gonna need my flour again. The flour already set. So you see, I throw some cornmeal to it, you know. Of the real cornmeal, yeah. Grace original Jamaican cornmeal. Grace. Yeah. Now bring the flour. As you can see, I have the flour here already.
So you put more flour in there than cornmeal?
Yeah, but I know everybody like straight cornmeal.
Yeah.
I'm call cornmeal dumpling, but with myself, when I make cornmeal dumpling, I put more cornmeal more than flour.
But you make it for yourself?
For myself, yeah. And my brethren them we are roots man, more cornmeal, because we make real cornmeal dumpling. We just put a little bit of flour, we have to keep the cornmeal together. But this one now, we just mix it together. A mixed flour dumpling and all. Cornmeal. And then we have my salt. I don't measure salt, I judge salt. You know, I judge salt.
Not a whole lot of salt.
No, because people do it by teaspoon, but in a cooking long time, so I judge salt by my judgment, you know. And I mix up my salt, and I mix up my cornmeal and my flour together. So you see, everything mixed up here now. So we got everything mixed up together here now. So, well, if people now, they make dumpling with spoon, that's enough for the time. Jamaican make dumpling with spoon.
Yeah.
We make dumpling by hand. Need flour by hand. We don't need flour by spoon. A woman with long finger do them thing, they feel long fingernail. Even if you got a woman and you see man need make flour with spoon, I know the right woman that play you. Flour him need with hand. But you don't know
mess up the nail.
the long nail and the thing there. You see, when we do it with our raw hand, so you get a tight dumpling, okay? No, you should never add more water.
You add some water.
Yeah. But you have to know if you add your water to your flour, because your flour is soft or something if you don't want to make it soft. So, and then you have to use the judgment. Let me add water now. Just like how you know, you have the construction, you mix concrete or mortar. You have to add water, mix up your cement and then thing there, you know. But don't make it spoil. Yeah. So I knead up my flour together. You know what this they call dumpling. You see how it look? And look how much dumpling sweet. Yeah, someone I eat 20 dumplings, someone I eat 60. The people love dumpling. Fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, anything.
Yeah. So these dumplings now we're gonna boil it, not fry it, right?
Yeah, just boil it. Yeah. Cow for the night too.
Okay.
We have dumpling too. So we don't cook dumpling and banana, but now we don't cook the banana. We have enough rice and peas and everything. Yeah, so the flour coming on now, getting tight up. Coming to where I want it. Some people like them curry goat with dumplings, and everybody like white rice.
Curry goat and dumpling with some banana.
Yeah, and some like it with white rice. But you know, we Jamaican, we like dumplings, so. Long time people not eat no dumpling just so they would like to eat some dumpling. And now get the rice every day. So I just see the flour now coming together now. Last time early on we started it was pure dust.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's coming on together now. So I'm almost done with this now. Just knead them up some more. See? So with your hand, you knead them up tight, and then a spoon with a spin and a shake up. This real dumpling, no spoon dumpling. And if you see my hand now, you see my hand, you just have barely one little flour. So do people run about the spoon.
Yeah, wait. When you make it with spoon, it's too soft, you know.
Yeah.
It's,
You know, we have to flour if you knead up and punch up with your hand and them things. That's everything knead up. So you can see the changing of the flour, so it look brown. But it's cornmeal, yeah. It's not white flour dumpling. It's a mixture of cornmeal and flour. And if you see the pan, look on the pan. You show the pan, the flour now, you know it like that. The pan look clean.
yeah.
Everything here together. So the things still here. Some people flour all over. Right now, alright, take a good look at this now. I didn't know. See it? That's my flour.
You see it?
See?
Wow.
Finished now.
Yeah.
So I broke him in two and make him see the set. See? Make him see the set. So I now cook this to my bit till about 3:30. So what I'm gonna do now, I just wrap him up with some plastic wrap. I just wrap him with some plastic wrap.
Oh, so you wrap it up with plastic wrap
Yeah.
until later.
Till later.
Oh,
So
okay.
we have some plastic wrap. So I just wrap him up. That's, you know, nothing no blowing him and them thing there.
That's how you make dumpling.
Yeah, done with that. So now, so this done now. When I bought my cornmeal, I'm done with the cornmeal now. No, I'm not more to do with the cornmeal, no.
Alright, so Gangali's just gonna make one dumpling. Let's just see how it look when you make it, since we're gonna do this later.
Okay, first of all, now, squeeze up my flour together, say do it, and, you know, some people roll dumpling like this, but me not really like, me not roll it like that. Everybody make anything different. Me make my dumpling like this. Use my big finger, press in my flour. But you know my flour is solid as a rock, and neat. Understand? Lift up my thing, you know. So this is a big dumpling, but me not gonna make it so big, you know.
Okay.
I want to make them because me liquor and this. So you see, this is dumpling.
Okay, so that's how you make dumpling.
That's how you make dumpling and put it in the hot water and the pot boil up. You know, that's how you make dumpling. But I tell you that some people make it like this. Some people just rub it up. Some people rub it up and do it like this. You know, but me, they say, me use my big finger. Use my finger, press in my flour. That's my flour then slide it. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah.
So that's how you make dumpling in Gangali's kitchen.